Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to look at Karma Airdrop, how to earn free Karma. So we are going to look at their latest update. If you look down here, you can now see that this is my Karma address and you can see daily points level 2. Currently, if you are able to link your email, you are going to start earning 30 Karma, 30s Karma points every day. So, but before you'll be able to earn this, you need to link your email. So if you click on this bind, look at the hint, bind your wallet to claim daily S Karma points. Click to bind. So for us to bind it, we are going to our Chrome and paste the referral link. So coming to our Chrome here, I'm just going to paste my referral link, and if you have not started, locate the referral link in the video description. Do well to start immediately. And if you are currently mining Karma and you don't have up to 1000 Karma, this is an avenue for you to also earn free Karma without investing. So you search. So once you search, it's going to bring this interface for you. You are going to log in, sign in with Google. We are going to sign in with Google. You can see it here. You need to sign in first so that we can log into our account. So once you click on it, it's going to bring out this interface for you to choose your email. You need to choose your email that you're going to sign in with. So I'm going to choose any of my email here. So I'm going to click on this continue so that I can give access to this my email. Look at what they say. Your Google account is not linked to your wallet. Please log in with your wallet first to bind your Google account. So you click on I see. I need to log into my account first. So this is my account. I use Trust Wallet, so I'm going to click on this wallet connect. If you use MetaMask, like if you have started, if you use MetaMask to create an account, you use MetaMask. So I'm going to click on wallet connect. Clicking on wallet connect. So I'm going to click on this all wallet. Let me look for my Trust Wallet. So I will now see Trust Wallet here. I'm going to click on this Trust Wallet and I'll allow it to connect. Now I need to put my passcode. Now it says connect. I have to connect. Connecting. Now what you need to do is, they said once to use your device location, allow while visiting this app. Click on allow while using this app. They said this site can't ask for your permission. Choose any. Okay, try again. Allow this time. Now once you click on it, you can see that my email has shown up here. So what I'm going to do is to tap on this email. Can you see success, binding successful? I have now successfully bind my email. First step is to go to your Chrome, use the referral link, paste it, select any of your email you want to use. Once you select it, it will redirect you to your Trust Wallet. If you use Trust Wallet, you click on Trust Wallet, and after that, it will redirect you to your wallet where you connect. After connecting, now go back to that Chrome you started. It will now ask you to bind the email. Click on it. It's very, very simple. You bind it. So coming here now, you can see that my email is bind. So if you go to the profile here, here you can see, that my email is showing, and here is showing unbind. So what I need to do is to put my username, my country, my city, and my phone number, and I will now save it. So once you bind your wallet, the next thing now is for you to start earning 30s Karma points every day. You can see it here, 30s Karma points every day. This is what you need to be earning free of charge. So you click on the daily sign in. Can you see earn rewards 30 Karma? You click on I see. So my next check-in is in 5 hours, 34 minutes, 39 seconds. That is my next check-in. And if you scroll, you refresh, you are going to see that I have received 30 Karma points. 30, look at it here. I have finally received 30 Karma points. You can see it there. So here, that is what you are going to do. Once you bind your email, you automatically move to level 2. And my current Karma balance is 1070.36, which is giving me 15.61 USDT. At this point, the exchange for Karma, for you to exchange your Karma, you must have at least 1,000, and that 1,000 is going to give you 100 Karma. So if you accumulate 1,000 Karma, look at it here. If you accumulate 1,000 Karma, it's just giving you 100 Karma, which you can exchange. If you click on this exchange, you are going to see that this is for the swap. You click on the withdraw, you are going to see I only have 30, and the minimum that I can exchange to Karma is 1,000. That 1,000 give you 100. You click on withdraw. Immediately you can withdraw it and swap it to USDT without stress. So this is basically how to earn free Karma without vesting. If you want to be receiving 30 Karma every day, go and do this. So thank you guys, and see you guys in my next video.